Because
It's
nothing
my
is
show, dude. It's my show. You asked.
worked on those shoes where you have been hurt and so on.
Yeah.
What do you think will change the society?
That's how, like, initially we started, like, seeing each other, like, as a friend.
What does it even mean? So what kind of videos are you trying to make? Is it funny? Is it informative, philosophical? What kind of video are you trying to make?
There is no aim. There is no.
What's your story on this? What's your take on this? Because you said something that you had once, social anxiety.
Yeah, so it was like. I think we are recording. Yeah, we have started recording, by the way. So, welcome to this the first episode of. Actually, I haven't even decided the name of it. What should we name it with? Give me some ideas. Name.
Heart to heart. I am listening.
No man, I have an idea. For
Invigilator kind of shit. ठीक है, तो I'm giving you the topic. For example, politics. Politics is the topic and discuss. बोलते ना?
hey, so and discuss is the right word.
Hello, my name is Piyush and welcome to And Discuss, where I bring my friends to discuss and learn about different things.
And discuss.
And discuss. Yeah, it's the right word. Hey, it's my show. Okay, it's my show. You don't get to do that shit.
I'm not saying bad or good. I'm just saying okay and discuss.
Yeah, and discuss. Yeah, ठीक है now. So, by the way, Shaurav Banerjee, he's my friend from class 11, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. We are friends since class 11 from our school days back to Julian Day School, JDS guys, we rock. And yeah, Shaurav, give you a little background introduction, whatever you want to say.
So you know my name and my school and what else is there to say? Yeah, so now I teach in various classes online. I'm a freelance teacher. Apart from that, I don't do anything. So basically I'm jobless and a freelance teacher. And me and Piyush, we hang out a lot. We go to various places with our cycles, right?
Yes.
We have been to some unexplored places like the East Kolkata wetlands, and life is happening, being alive. That's all.
Yes, and we forgot to say something, dude. We ask very existential question to each other, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, if you are living, you should ask those questions. It's not just that we do and something to feel proud about, but this is something that we all should do, being alive.
Yeah, but like, why do you think other people don't ask these kinds of questions?
Yeah, because if you look around yourself, not that I'm special because I'm asking those questions, but if you look around yourself, you will see that people are satisfied the way they are. They are satisfied with their jobs, with their families, and so on, so on, so on. They are not asking more than that. They are just satisfied with what they have. But I think to live in this world, you have to find out what you are, what life is. To do that, satisfaction has no place.
Okay, so you mean to say कि like satisfaction like नहीं होना चाहिए इंसान लोग के पास, या फिर we should always urge for more kind of shit?
Yeah, the opposite of satisfaction is not dissatisfaction. When I say I'm dissatisfied, I will be satisfied. If I'm dissatisfied now, I will find some means of satisfaction, right? So I'm not saying that. I'm saying that what is satisfaction? Why am I satisfied?
Oh.
Right?
Yeah, like
why
are we satisfied kind of thing?
Yeah, what gives you satisfaction? Your job, your financial status, your name. What gives you satisfaction? If you're satisfied, why? That is what I'm asking. Not you shouldn't be satisfied. Okay, so my question is simple, right? That I'm not looking for satisfaction or dissatisfaction. I am asking, okay, I'm satisfied, right? Another person is satisfied. If we are satisfied, only then we will stop asking questions. We are happy with what we have. But why am I satisfied?
Oh.
What is the reason for that?
Why?
Because my family is giving. Why am I satisfied? Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry for interrupting, but like you have gone white, bro.
Yes.
You have gone full.
You can't hear me?
No, you have gone full white on your screen. Like this side is like half faced.
Wait.
Hey, so like, what are you teaching nowadays?
I teach code English, public speaking, and debate to young children.
What was first? What was the first one?
Code English.
Oh, code English.
Grammar. Yeah.
And debate and like what? Communication skills.
Public speaking, yeah. Communication skills. You can say that.
So like, do you ask yourself that ki, am I satisfied or am I not satisfied? What kind of, do you ask that while going to a job, or like opening your laptop, or like teaching them?
Yeah. So I am not satisfied. I am not satisfied. I do it because I have to do it, because you have to have pocket money, right? You have to survive on your own. I am 23 years old.
Yeah.
So I have to survive on my own. That's why I do it. But I'm not satisfied. I want more. What more? I don't know.
Okay.
What about you? What is your thoughts on all this?
I don't know, man. It's a very difficult thing to ask me right now, because even I'm in the same place as you are. Although you are doing something in freelancing, which is like teaching. Even I like teaching. I used to teach students of class 9, 8 and 7 respectively. But like after that, after I was in my job, I had to leave it. So yeah, now I don't have a job. Now I don't have tuitions. So I'm kind of like, I'm doing YouTube now. And
so do you like to do YouTube? You like what you do?
yeah, I like creating videos. I like to make people laugh. Like one thing, this Robin Williams said that I don't know what is the purpose of my life, but if I'm here and making someone's life little less miserable by making them laugh, it is great, I think.
I don't know how much value I have in this universe, but I do know that I made a few people happier than they would have been without me. As long as I know that I am rich as I ever need to be.
The first time we interacted, it was because I was sitting on your seat, right? Like we had one friend whose name was Akash Paul.
Akash Paul, yeah.
Yeah, and I was sitting beside him, and usually you used to sit beside him, so you were not coming for like weeks and weeks. Then I used to sit there because I used to come regularly to school. And like you came in one day and asked me to, bro, ye mera seat hai. So I said, so I was like, okay, man, I'm just moving out.
But you didn't move out. You
I
didn't
did.
move out that easily. No, you didn't move out that easily. That is why I was like, कि भाई, go. Let me sit. You were like, कि नहीं, हम ही बैठेगा.
What? That happened?
That happened. You were not moving out easily. I don't know why you stuck with Akash Paul and Tuhin. Or Tuhin was also there.
Tuhin was there. Yeah, Tuhin used to sit beside Akash Paul. Akash Paul was in the middle, and I was in the edge. Yeah. Yeah, that's what our first interaction was.
Yeah, that was then we didn't have interaction for around 6 months. After 6 months, I got to know you're in my class. Once again, I remember that you are in my class. Then exams came. Then class 11 was like we met once or twice.
Yeah.
Then it's like, okay, your name is Pius. I got to know that in class 12, not even in class 11, because you were the prefect during that time.
Wow, yes. In class 12, I was the prefect, and people used to call me the Shah Rukh Khan of the school. No, I'm just kidding, man. No one used to. And so yeah, after that, your friendship grew, right?
Yeah, mainly after class 12. Not after class 12. At the end of at class 12, when you came to my terrace with that guy. What's his name?
Devajyoti Paul.
Devajyoti, yeah.
Yeah, we used to talk about like our first interaction was the bench thing, and then I remember the only interaction we used to have was about movies, about Marvel movies, about comics, generally the superhero shit.
Yeah, we went to this movie. We went to the movie, Deadpool, I think.
Yes, Deadpool, the
we
first
all
one.
went Deadpool. Yeah. Devajyoti was also there.
Devajyoti Paul was also there. Yes. That's how like initially we started like seeing each other like as a friend.
What does it even mean, seeing each other?
Seeing each other like watching like being in front of each other kind of thing. Okay.
You can't just say that.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm sorry guys. Like we started being friends, to be honest. What I meant. I
Cut this
stand
part,
corrected.
okay? Yeah. Cut this part. So what kind of videos are you trying to make? Is it funny? Is it informative, philosophical? What kind of video are you trying to make?
There is no aim.
There's no aim.
No.
Okay.
It is just like life, man, aimless. So like, what was in your mind thinking ki like, no man, I don't want to go to school regularly?
It's because I used to stay back home and play lots of games. Okay. And then I had certain anxieties, right? So
social
I had
anxiety.
certain anxieties. Yeah, social anxiety.
Huh.
That is why I didn't used to go to school, and yeah, so I didn't have many friends there in school, so I didn't used to go.
Now when you look back, how many were there? Like there were like handful of friends, right?
Yeah, yeah, handful of friends.
So like, and like you used to think like I shouldn't go and talk to other people or like other students.
So it happens with a lot of us, right? So what happens is that we some of us feel from time to time they get bullied, and they feel that if they approach someone else, they might treat us in a way we don't want to be treated, right?
Yeah.
They might be a little bit bad to us, the way people are, especially young people, they can be mean at times, right?
Yes.
Not most are mean, but once you get a bad experience, you get more and more, you get withdrawal to yourself, to your shell that you have, and then you become more and more afraid. So I think that was the issue with me. I was afraid.
Shit.
See, you had social anxiety, Piyush. Do you want people to know about this?
Yeah, it's all right. I
You
don't have
had-
any problem.
When it comes to social anxiety, I shared what happened with me, right?
Yeah.
So what's your story on this? What's your take on this? Because you said something that you had once social anxiety.
Yeah, so it was like back in the days, like when like during class, it was mostly in the starting of class, like the middle classes, the class 5 to class 4, 5, 6 kind of thing. ठीक है, उसमें what used to happen कि like people, not people but like students who were at that of the same age of mine used to call me like Asian. Asian means Chinese, Japanese, or like those racial comments they used to pass saying ki, like you're not from our country, go from here kind of shit. So it was like very disheartening to hear all those things, because it not only used to feel that I was different from them, it also used to feel ki like I shouldn't be here. I don't belong here, and I should be somewhere else where like people accept me, not only tolerate me but like accept me kind of thing. So it was going from day to day basis, and it was kind of like hard to get to know people and talk with them or just have a normal conversation until this racial abuse comes up. So that's why I used to have social anxiety back then. I still have somewhat social anxiety right now, because I really cannot approach people go and like directly and talk to them about anything. It gets difficult from time to time, but like yeah, it's better from back then. Exactly.
So how do you being someone who has worked on those shoes where you have been hurt and so on,
Yeah.
what do you think will change the society, the way people are right now? Because people nowadays are making fun of people like people who looks a little bit Asian,
Yeah.
calling them Chinese and all that. Much more. I have so many friends who's from Shiliguri and so on. They're
Yeah.
being treated like that. So what can you do as an individual?
What can I do? That's very, I don't know, man. I don't do anything, to be honest. But like from the back in the days till now, like I have seen a little much improvement in like people about like knowing the northeast side of India, because I think back then when we were students of class 5, 6, 7, we never used to have that much of experience and exposure to every states of our country, because our country is so wide and so varies in customs and culture that we don't get to know every single person of every single culture, right? So there is a very different differences. For example, if I live in West Bengal and if I go to South India, there is a huge difference. Okay, in culture, in race, in languages, in how they eat, how they dress, and etc. Right? And we think since this is not our custom, it doesn't mean ki it is not from our country. So it's kind of that mentality which I think harms a lot. And this mentality is kind of a virus, I think, just like COVID, which get into someone's head and it's passed on from generation to generation until and unless one doesn't conform to it. ठीक है? you are looking somewhat different from what people lives in here. तो एक काइंड ऑफ मेरे को लगता है कि एक काइंड ऑफ ऑब्जेक्शन हो जाता है जब तुम देखते हैं किसी को कि लाइक मैन ही लुक्स डिफरेंट, सो ही माइट बी नॉट विद अस. Then the division starts. When the division starts is like when there are two teams, they versus us.
If that is so,
Huh.
if that is so, then me being a Bengali, my fellow people also, those who made fun of me, right? They are also dark skinned. They are also Bengali. Then why did they do that? Because there is no then.
I don't have any answer to that.
Yeah. So why are they doing that?
I don't know, man. Maybe it was all about fun back then by being rude to someone. Like, I don't know, man. See, when I think about people calling out on race, people calling out on body or like your complexion, I think it's all about it's cheap game of क्या बोलते हैं, making fun of people regarding their insecurities or like race or something like that. मेरे को लगता है. What do you think of it?
What I remember was that when there were some people back then, right, in class 11, 12, who used to make fun of us, and then they were not that bad. They were kind-hearted, but they used to do that so that they can belong somewhere. They had a group, right, and in the group, other people used to make fun of other people. So if they wanted to belong to that group, the backbenchers, they had to make fun. They had to bully someone, even if they don't want to, so that they can belong.
So you mean to say it's kind of a social status game?
It's kind of with the game of belonging. We all want to belong somewhere, right? You want to belong with somewhere or somebody. Same with that person, that group, that like all of us. It's not isolated incident. It's all of us wanting to belong. That is creating the problem, I think.
Yes,
Right.
you can say that. Yeah, man. Because like, for example, if someone buys an iPhone, it doesn't mean ki like you're giving like 90,000 or 50,000 just for a phone, which has different features. It's about social status game. Like because you belong
Exactly.
to an elite league when you buy an iPhone.
Yeah.
And no offense to iPhone. माफ कर दो, मेरे पास भी
Users.
iPhone नहीं है. Users also, iPhone also, Tim Cook also, Steve Jobs, everybody. What are the dangers? What are the dangers of division? So like kind of, if we divide, there won't be unity first of all, and when there is no unity, like an example given, have you seen the movie The Apes of the World or something like that?
War of the Planet of the Apes.
What was the movie?
The War of the Planet of the Apes. I
No,
think.
the first part जिसमें जेम्स फ्रैंको है.
The
The
what,
planet,
something apes.
the planet of the apes or something like that. The like क्या बोलते हैं, the hero ape, the protagonist ape, ठीक है, breaks the single. Yes. So what do you think of history though?
What do you think? First, tell me what do you think? Because
It's
nothing
my
comes-
show, dude. It's my show. You asking me वापस. I'm asking
said
you.
no.
You asking me back. What the hell, dude?
Oh, so this is how you treat your guests by saying this is my show, huh?
Yeah, I am
Let's stop along with this show.
I am the Republic TV of internet. Okay.
Oh yeah, you have just one episode and you're Joe Rogan, huh?
No. I'm no Joe Rogan. I am normal. What is normal anyway? But yeah, like what do you think of history? Like what, like does it makes you feel it's interesting, or it's like the same old thing in history, like in back in the school days where we used to think ki it's boring as hell, dude.
History would be interesting when it is proven that aliens came to us, okay, once upon a time, or else it's boring, right?
Wow.
So ancient aliens myth, if it's true, then it's interesting.
Do you mean to say Ancient Aliens by History TV
Yeah.
18?
History 18, yeah. If that is true, then it's interesting, or
Man.
else it's boring.
But they used to say ki like the pyramids are made by aliens.
Yeah, you know Nikola Tesla, like he is the
Yes.
actual inventor of everything, of every electronic gadgets that we have now,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Not the other person. What was his name?
Thomas Edison.
Edison. Yeah, Edison was not. Tesla was actually. Anyways, so Nikola Tesla, I read that day when he was dying, he
Yeah.
was obsessed with the pyramids of of the pyramids of the Egypt, okay? And he was saying that these pyramids mean something much more than what we think it is. They are not just structures, but it's a way to harness unlimited energy from the sun, right? He was trying to figure out the theory of that, but he died before that, right? So
Yes.
I think the ancient pyramids has great significance. We might find out someday in the future what it actually represents.
And yeah, because like it's very unusual, right? To like in the full of desert, there is a thing like this in the middle of the desert. It's very unusual thing to have.
Yeah, just like people say nowadays, why do we have the ancient pyramids? They say we have the ancient pyramids because to keep a tomb, okay,
Huh.
keep the tomb of the emperor or someone. But that I think too, just for that to make such a big thing, it would have taken years and years of hard work and lots of labor, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So why do it? There must be some other explanation to that. There has to be.
Yeah, but like as you said, like Nikola Tesla was one of the best. Like he's the best kind of inventor like Earth has ever produced, isn't it?
Not one of the best. He was actually a scientist who didn't care about reward and punishment. Yeah. What do you think about comparison?
Great for phones.
So why should you have a conclusion at all? You will compare when you have a conclusion, right? You will compare your past self with your whatever you are right now when you have a conclusion. Why have a conclusion about yourself?
Yeah,
you
exactly.
are a living being. But we do have conclusions about ourselves, right? From that conclusions we work. We also have conclusions about other people. We say no, he is toxic, she is toxic.
Yes.
See the social media feed nowadays. You will see everyone is calling others toxic.
Yes, yeah. My ex was toxic, my this was toxic, my mother is toxic, my parents are toxic.
And what about the person who is writing all that? What about him or her? Aren't you toxic?
We never know, man. We never know.
Yeah. I'm asking, why does a teenager go to social media? Or teenager or anybody? Why? What is the reason behind it? What does he want out of it?
You know
There
when?
must be a cause.
Okay, I want to ask you a question. When did you join like the social media?
Long back.
Long back, like
2012, 13.
during your teenagers day, right?
Which I am till now. Yeah.
Oh, you're what? You're not teenage, bro.
I'm
20
teenage, bro.
You're
I'm
23.
23. So till when are you teenage?
19.
No, search it on Google. Till 25.
What is it? 25?
Yeah.
Well, let me search.
Search.
Cycling. What do you say? I am not getting the word exactly. But yeah, cycling. How do you join cycling? Simple.
This is what happens when you're trying to be, cool
Fancy.
and
Fancy.
all. Fancy. Yeah, fancy.
What do you mean?
It's
I am
simple.
fancy.
You are
Yeah.
trying to be.
No, I am.
Okay, my question, okay? Not yours.
What? Kiska show? Show Kishka hai, bro. I will ask you. What the hell? Do you have a guest? I am the host. Don't forget that. dude.
This show का नाम लग show किसका है question mark.
A few moments later.
Like, yeah, what were you going to ask? Tell me.
Yeah. So why did you start cycling? What made you start cycling?
I was jobless.
Because I was inspired by you.
I need to do something, and I was like in this lockdown I was growing fat. So I thought of like doing some outdoor activity which was not provided during the lockdown, and yeah, that's why I bought a cycle from my money, and I rode my cycle. Why were you inspired by my cycle, dude? By me cycling?
Not inspired. There was this desire. ठीक है, cycle देख के बैठ के होता है ना desire.
Yes.
So I had this desire and I bought one, and I'm happy that I bought one because I use it all the time. And when you ask me why, the same reason like you, I'm also jobless. That's why I go around.
You teach.
Yeah, but most of the time I don't. So when I don't, I cycle.
Yeah, that's good. But like cycle is also handy, like if you want to go to a nearby place, you can travel by cycle, and if you want to just pick up some vegetables or something like that, you can go by cycle.
Yeah, for that also I use the cycle for a lot of things.
Yeah. So we have come to the end of the podcast. So it's like a mandatory thing, to every guest. I ask them since it's the first episode, it's like kind of a ritual I want to start. Every guest who comes in the show, I want to ask them, ki, what advice will you give to a younger Shaurodeep who want to give an advice to your younger self?
Advice that I will give to him is that don't give advices to anyone. Because I don't know anything. The past is the past. Why should I give advice to the younger Shaurodeep?
Okay, so like you don't want to give your advice to your younger self, even if it's suffering and everything.
Yeah. So have I stopped suffering? That I don't have a solution to it.
No, मतलब ये ऐसा है ना कि like since you have come out of that situation, ठीक है, now you are somewhere else right now, ठीक है, but your younger self is again suffering the same thing you have suffered earlier, ठीक है, so what advice will you give to him? That is the
Piyush,
main question.
I think you have to struggle. You have to
Not to
be
me.
in a difficult position.
No, tell your younger self, not to me.
No, my younger self, I will say nothing. Let him suffer. He has to suffer. Without suffering, he won't learn. How will he learn? He has to be confused, suffering, and all that must happen to him. Why should I tell him anything? Let him suffer.
Okay, you mean to say like let him suffer because of that it has become who you are right now.
No,
Or like-
absolutely not.
So what is it?
What I am now, right? What I was is different, correct? Why do I want what I am now to shape what I was? Why?
I didn't get it.
अभी तुम कुछ और है, ठीक है? तुम पहले कुछ और था. अभी तुम जो पहले था, जो वो भी हो, तुमको लगता है तुम अभी अच्छे हो. You think you are not confused. You're clear. Are you? Am I clear?
But
Why
I mean,
not suffering?
no, but I mean to say कि like since you were in the place of your younger self, ठीक है, and now you're like 5 years or 6 years ahead of him. What advice do you want to give to him? That's a simple question. ठीक है, ये नहीं सोच रहे कि I'm sorted, that's why I want to give advice. It's like I have come through that, I have suffered all through that, and I'm here right now. So on that suffering part, on only that part of it, ठीक है, it's not the whole life purpose, ठीक है, on that part, what advice do you want to give? Still you won't give advice?
I have nothing to say to my younger self. I mean, we all suffer. Suffering is part of life, but apart from that also there's happiness. There's so many things, right?
Yes.
Life, we have to take life as a whole. If
Ah.
we take life as a whole, as a complete thing, then why will I tell him a part? Anything I tell him will be a part, right? Don't do this, don't do that. I will tell him, I will give him options, right? Why?
It can be a general advice, ki like don't give advice kind of shit.
Give an advice like don't give advice, which is an advice. Let's not do that. So I won't give any advice. Please, sorry to disappoint you, but that is what I am. That is what my answer is.
Okay, in this confusing state of mind, we will end this episode 1 of And Discuss. Yeah, we end this. We end this first episode of And Discuss with Shaurodeep Banerjee. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, Piyush Rana, for entertaining me for so long.
You're welcome, guys. So that's all. Thank you. If you're still watching, then thank you. I always wanted to do it, and it's great. I'm finally executing it. And do like, share, and subscribe, and do post down your comments about how did you like the episode. If I should add something else or should I not, ask questions if you want to, and I hope I can answer them in my podcast. Wait, it's not a podcast. A long recording of me talking with my friends and discussing things. Yes, that's all about. And trust me, the upcoming guests which I have lined up, they are amazing. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Hope to see you soon.